Be a VIP without a VIP price. Can you say ride in style? You'll be hard-pressed to find a cleaner 2008 Honda Ridgeline than this well-appointed gem. Designated by Consumer Guide as a recommended compact pickup in 2008. This rare Ridgeline with grippy four-wheel drive will handle anything Mother Nature decides to throw automatic transmission you during one of her bad days. Automatic transmission work. Edmunds.com said. In addition to its relatively car-like handling and ride, the Ridgeline offers a comfortable 5-passenger cabin. It also boasts an innovative steel-reinforced fiberglass composite bed that's immune to rust and dents. Thank you for looking. Automatic transmission. This vehicle in stock now. Automatic transmission. Toyota Bountiful's new car dealership in Bountiful.